To remove the single serial port riser module, if installed in the unit, first remove the access panel. Detach the serial port connector to the motherboard. Detach the two hex nuts on the rear of the chassis for the serial port module using a 3/16 hex socket driver. Pull the single serial port module out of the unit. To replace the single serial port module, align the serial port into its cutout at the rear of the unit. Secure the serial port module to the chassis with its two hex nuts. Replace the serial port module connector to the motherboard.